If you use these DCI chairs, the saliva evacuator goes into the little holder, but it is held in by one of these rubber rings. So over time, they do need to be replaced. You can buy these rubber rings from your distributor. I got them from our equipment helper, manager person who comes and fixes things. And what you do is you take the suction off, get a ring, a rubber ring, and then I used a dull scaler. You want to be very careful. I don't want you to accidentally cut yourself. And I found it was easier to push down. So instead of trying to like get my scaler in there, because that ring is in a little edge, there's a little like well for it. So I pushed it down away from me and I pushed that ring on the edge and pushed down. And you kind of go around the entire side and slowly push down. I figured if when I tried to like pull it up, it would definitely get too caught and it would be very awkward. So I actually did a similar thing to put it in, which I'll show you. But you're slowly going to go around that little edge of the well. You on that rubber ring, you might cut it a little bit. That's totally fine because it's worn out at this point. It's going to be thrown away. And you're going to slowly work it out of that little opening. And then you're going to take it out. Of course, this is really gross because the saliva has been going in there. So wear gloves and do all the things. Then you're going to put your new ring in there. Again, it feels really big. It feels like it's not going to fit, but it will. So I pushed it down past the little well and then slowly pull it up into that opening space, that little margin that it fits in. And it's actually easier to put in than take out because I feel like it's a little bit bulkier so you can have a better edge to it. So again, I use a scaler, some kind of instrument to work that ring in. It's going to make such a difference with your saliva foam falling out. So if your saliva ejector. So if you've been using your saliva ejector and it's falling out mid-procedure, this ring is the key to that. It needs to be replaced. Not all dental chairs have this. This is definitely this brand. Some of them have like a rubber stopper on top that can be replaced. But there are lots of dental chairs that do have this rubber ring that's actually inside. I think they do it because it's a little bit easier to wipe down from the outside aspect. And the rubber is contained, so it's less corroded from our cavi wipes or alcohol-based things to help with sterilization. So once it's in there, you're going to put it back on your suction. Of course, wipe everything down because, again, that's really dirty and gross. But you're ready to go. And you change them out, I don't know, depends on the patient. Some people are every 6 months, so it depends how often you use it. But having those extra rings on hand is really helpful because it's a quick turnaround and nothing is more annoying than the saliva ejector falling out.